Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to merge layers. So I will create new layer and you can draw with pen tools. Okay, we create again another layer and I will draw with a blue color in here. Now if you want to merge these two layers, you can go to the layer menu and then choose the merge with layer below. And then it will be automatically merge between two layers. Okay, I will create again another layer and I will draw like a rectangle object and you can set for the color. After it, if you want to merge, you can right click on layer and you can choose merge with layer below. Okay, that's it for a basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to merge layer.